Minister Khemchana Imphal Paikhaliba Concrete Road Project amasung sewerage projectsing review tawkhre. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala, Home Minister Amit Saha unaduna Manipur gi hojik oiriba fibamgi matangda wari sanakre. Relief camp ta laitaba IDP singna Chief Minister da memorandum pisinduna jab manaba relief sing pidinaba haijakre. Manipur gi private school kharada RTE Act violation tauba child rights panel na thengnare haire. Middle East land thokpana maram oiraga Indian Airlines ki flight Chambri nifu mari cancel tawkhre. Kurumjari ISCOM News bideng tabiri bakwai pumnamak putaram nokjari hauzik pau sandok ni pijari. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan Singhna Greater Imphal gi koibada paikhatliba concrete road project amasung sewerage project sing quality leina tungkoina chatna handuna awat apa leitana Greater Imphal asi semgatpa ngamnabagidamak review meeting pangthokre. Chief Minister Y Khemchan na chair lauduna mahaki official secretariat ta office te pangthokhiba review meeting aduda MLA Singh Resources Department amasung Public Works Department singi makok thongba official sing sarukia ki. Mifam aduda maru oina AIIB na lupa crore lising ahum chatruk nifutaret ki senfam sing thadaduna Greater Imphal da paikhaliba MURDAMIP kilometer chamnga nifutaret rom sangba road and drainage works amasung integrated sewerage system sing asina urban sanitation fagadhanba pollution control tauba amasung khudaki oina ising ichau thengnabagi component sing yauri. Chief Minister Y Khemchan Singhna ex thagatpa post amada Greater Imphal gi akoibada hauzik paikhaliba concrete road project amasung integrated sewerage system asina Imphal City asi mapung fana chakwat hanbata natana lambi sing matam sangna chatpa madi toina repairing tawbagi mathau leiraroi haire. Pangthokhiba review meeting adu yamna mai pakpa ama oibata natana project sing asi matam chana loishinduna Manipur gi oina citizen centric urban infrastructure ama thamna bahotna si haina pautak sing pi ki haire. Official singi matungina Manipur Urban Road Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project MURDAMIP Imphal City da chahi asigi angan basaruktagi paikhatpa hokhibane. Project asi drainage singa tainana leiba lambi singda concrete oina thaduna ising tungsinba amasung flood thokpadagi ngakthokpa ngamnabagidamak paikhatpa project amane. Project asi Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank AIIB na partly oina lupa crore lising ahum chatruk nifutaret ki senfam sing thadaduna kilometer chamanga nifutaret sangba lambi asida concrete oina thaduna nagyeta storm water drain sing semgatpani haire. PWD na paikhaliba road project asigalo iroinana Imphal City da integrated sewerage system gi thabak sing lisingani kunmanga amasung lisingani kuntarukta paikhatpa hauduna amotpa drain gi ising sing manage tawbagaloinana sanitation ningthina thambagi pandam sing thamli haire. Hauze sewerage sanitation system asina municipal ward kuntaret leibagi manungda municipal ward tara mathoi cover tawbangamle. Imphal City da sewerage network ningthina leitaba maramna amotpa drain gi ising sing hauze nambul turel da tasinduna turel asi mothanduna leire. Nauna paikhaliba project asina drainage network sing quality leiba ising turel da tahanduna turel da thokliba pollution asi hantahanbaga loinana Imphal da leiriba mipum khudingmakta lu nana lehenaba pandam thamli haire. Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana ngarang New Delhi da Union Home Minister Amit Shah ka unaduna hauzik Manipur ki oiriba phibam ki matangda wari sanakre haire official source na ngarang Governor amasung Home Minister ga unakiba adu irang mayok nariba Manipur state ta chahi phaning chit President's rule thamluraba matung chahi asigi February tha hawalakpada anauba BJP na luching balaingak amalakhraba matung Manipur da hauzik oiriba phibam singi matangda Governor na Home Minister da paudam ki haire Governor ki paudam da Manipur da hauzik irang lakshin naba santi purak naba amasung tangdu laitaba hanjilak nabagidamag security forces singna Ching amasung tampaki mafam singda makhal makha kaya gi operation sing chathaduna lakli khudsukhulai kaya fakat pangamle ain kaina tharamba popi pambil singyan thatuna manghalli amadi tension lainari ba community singi marakta tangdu laita bahanjilakna ba thabak thoram kaya paikhatli haiki Relief camp singda laitaba Manipur gi thokliba irang asina internally displaced persons IDP sing oihallaba miyoi singna Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan singda memorandum ama pishinduna ate IDP singda piriba relief amasung rehabilitation gi khudongchaba sing chapmanana fanghanbiu haina taksinkhre Churachandpur leiba paite phurupki Anthony Naulak Koba miyoi amana Chief Minister Pisin Kiba memorandum aduda relief camp singda laitaba IDP singna thokliba irang asida kayam yamna wana khangli mayek sengna taki Anthony Naulak na Churachandpuragi singzamai tamna laktuna Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan unabagi khudongchaba adu lokhibane unaba aduda Naulak na relief camp singda laitaba IDP singda su relief ki kanaba sing pipi na bahai jokhibaga loinana mahakna Churachandpur district ki lapna TD Block Relief Camp te leiriba Kuki IDP imung manung humputara romga unaduna makhoina thengnariba awaba amadi khudongchadaba sing phongdorakhiba adu Chief Minister da paudam ki Chief Minister da pisin kiba memorandum aduda relief camp sing da laitaba IDP sing ase government na piriba kanaba sing maru oina direct benefit transfer DBT at sing mayum makai tumna mai thadok pikraba singda ex gratia oina piba lupa lakh ama senfam sing tangai fadaba potlam sing leinaba amadi rehabilitation taunapagidamag miyoi amamamda special support oina lupa lising ani chamri kun piriba sing ase amatta fangdana leiri haina fongdokli The Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR Manipur leiriba unaided private ayambada right of children to free and compulsory education RTE Act lisingani mapal norm sing to guidana school chalaiba thengnare haire commission asina thadorpa statement amada hairiba private sing asida Pupil teacher ratio PTR ngaktaba mahairoi singda akanba punishment piduna laknaba school gi counselor sing leitaba mama mapa singi participation watpa madi mahairoi singda pidingba punishment sing piba thengnare haire National Education Policy NEP lising ani kunna thamliba goal haibadi mahairoi sing psychological well-being ama oinabagi damak school singda counselor sing hapkadabane masigi damakta private school singda democratically elected guardian natraga parents singi association sing school singi thabak thoram sing na saruk yahanduna right to education act amasung central board of secondary education ki guidelines chanahangadabani haire statement asina makha taraduna hairiba unaided private school sing asida Mahiroi sing ningtinas counseling pidana school dagi tanthokpa transfer certificate sing piba thengnare haire commission asina makhatana hairiba private school sing asigi mathakta kupna yengsin khigani amadi tangai fadrabadi norm sing violate toriba school singi mathakta akanba action lakhatkani haire Iran amasung Middle East ki saruk kharada lana maram oiraga mafam sing asigi airspace singda athing batham khibaga loinana Indian Airlines ki international flight Chambri Nifu Mari cancel tawre haina Civil Aviation Ministry na fongdokre Iran da mamang thagi ko Nepal da Israel amasung United States na airstrike tawtuna chathakhiba attack sing aduna maram oiraga domestic carrier sing na operate toba flight Chambri gatara cancel tawki Makatana passenger singi safety yenglaga authority singna airline route singa sida flight service suspend toba yabagi fibam da lady hairi aviation ki stakeholders in the local Jackson Tharang Singh Civil Aviation Ministry na kupna review tawduna lady amadi the Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA nasu airline singi safety amasung operational regulation singak na chatlibra haibadasu yengsilli hairi Labour kasi ki achoba airport sing da operational alert thamduna flight ki route honglakpa yaba made passenger sing da khudongcha nabagi damak senior official sing deploy tawduna airport sing amadi overseas airline sing ga toina pau phauna hankre haire ministry na makha taraduna hai passenger assistance control room PACR hangduna passenger sing amadi affected traveler singi complaint sing monitor tawduna lehan kre how kiba February ko Nepal da air shua portal da passenger chani tarataru ki khudongchadaba sing record tauki nimit aduda khudongchadaba chamaga manga solve tauki haire Israel gi makok thongba officials singna phongdorokpagi matung ina Iran gi supreme leader Ali Khamenei Israelina Iran ki Tehran da chethi air strike da leikidre haina the Jerusalem Post na report tawri newspaper asina hai Ali Khamenei gi asi bahag chang Israel na air strike chethi ba Tehran da leiba yumgi akai atoi singi maraktagi ngasi ayuk phangkibani haire news agency Reuters nasu Israel gi officials singna claim tawriba Iran gi supreme leader Ali Khamenei air strike da sikre hairaduna mahaki asi pamasasu fangbangam kre haire Adubu Iran na hojik fawba power sigi chapchaba phongdorakpadi leitri haire Israel gi Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu gi video statement amada Ali Khamenei sikre amadi Iran gi top leader sing target tawri hairaduna Iran gi Tehran da leiba Ali Khamenei gi compound yauna Revolutionary Guard commander sing amasung senior nuclear officer sing na leiba mafam sing thugai kre haiki India da leiriba Iranian Supreme Leader ki representative ni haiba Dr. Abdul Majid Hakim Ilahina Ali Khamenei sikibagi report asi reject tawri mahak na hai Supreme Leader asi masamo fan leiri mahak na America ki ba leite hai na phongdoki haire atopa pawama da Israel na chethi ki ba air strike singa duda Iran ki Defense Minister Amir Nasir Jadeh amasung Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Commander Muhammad Pakpur Shiramba Yai Haina Panare. Nasir Jadeh Defense Minister Oidringai Iranian Armed Forces ki Deputy Chief of Staff Oirami Mahak Fighter Pilot Military Career Semgat Pahauraki. Manipur Police na miyam dagi Sankai Thumkai de Chenabani Haiba Aina Thinkraba Lal Holub United National Liberation Front UNLF Koiring Faction Gather Ani Fabangam Kre Haire Police na Faraba Mioi Ani Adudi Self Style Second Lieutenant Asem Nongpuk Nganba Meitei Atopa Ming Ngangoiba Chahikun Trani Thoi Amasung Thangjam Gandhi Meitei Atopa Ming Yaima Chahikun Tarit ni Makoi ani asi police na Porapat Police Station ki manung chanba wangkai ayang pali dagi fabangam khibani haire makoi ani dagi live round tarataruk yawba magazine ani galoina na pistol ama amadi mobile phone sing fagat pangam ki haire police ki atop operation ama dalal holup kangleipa communist party KCP nongdren khomba faction ki gather ni haiba Laisra Monis Singh atop paming Tom Chahi Kunumdoi, Kagempali Panka, Nganapitong Mamangasi, Mahaki Mayumdigi, Fabangam Ki Haire. Manipuri Autonomous Council Tanbagi Sarukamo Oina Hayeng March Kitang Anida, Flirtel bypass sit-in demonstration Pangtok Lagane. Sit-in demonstration pangthokadaba siga mari leinana Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee Assamna Paugi Mifam Ama retired ACS officer Kangabam Santikumar gi sangai da pangthokre Paugi Mifam asida Coordination Committee asigi chairman Kangabam Santikumar Singha amasung Vice Chairman Konzengbam Ongbi Aruna Devina media ki thongda miyamda paujiladuna hairiba sit-in demonstration asida Mitei amadi Mitei Pangal Kwai Kibik na sarug yabi na basapil taurakli, Pauge Mifam Aduda Kangabam Santi Kumar Singha, Chairman, Manipuri Autonomous Council, Demand Coordination Committee, Assam, Konjengbam Ongbi Aruna Devi, Vice Chairman, Manipuri Autonomous Council, Demand Coordination Committee, Assam, Khetmayum Singhajit, Convener, Manipuri Autonomous Council, Demand Coordination Committee, Assam, Amasung, Dr. Raju Kumukcham, Co-Convener, Manipuri Autonomous Council, Demand Coordination Committee, Assam na Chingba Miyoy Singh Saruk Yaki. Loisilakpada Maroiba Pau Amukahana Pizari. Chief Minister Kem Chana Imphal da Paikhaliba Concrete Road Project amasung Sewerage Project sing review tawkre. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana, Home Minister Amit Sahaga unaduna Manipur gi haujik oiriba fibam gi matangda wari sanakre. Relief Campta Leitaba IDP Singna Chief Minister da Memorandum Pisinduna Jab Manaba Relief Sing Pibinaba Haijakre. Manipur ki private school kharada Right to Education Act violate tauba Child Rights Panel na thengnare haire. Amasung Middle East Jalan Thokpana maram oiraga Indian Airlines ki flight Chambrimi Fumari cancel tawkre. Pungjasi Fawgina Sanduk Chaba ISCOM News Matanga Seda Lojere Makata Papawgidamak ISCOM News Pumiding Taduna Lebiyo.